Hi guys! Today we're going to walk you through how to use Palette, Pentasecurity's new cryptocurrency app. And to use this app, we're going to first have to download the app, and you can do that through the Google Play Store. You can type in Palette Wallet, and it should be the first app that pops up. So I already have the wallet installed here on my phone, so we'll get into it straight away. But for those of you who haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you install it. So upon first installation, you'll get a walkthrough similar to what you see on the screen here. And you'll see how to set up your mnemonic code, add different wallets, etc. And after that, you'll be able to set your 6-digit passcode. And you'll want to remember this because you'll be using it for authentication from this point forward. So make sure it's a code that you remember. So when you first install and get into the app, you won't have any wallets here. So you'll have to make a new wallet. And after you press Get a New Wallet, you'll have to generate a mnemonic code. And what this is a list of 12 words that you'll have to use to recover your account if it's lost. And you'll see a list of the words here, 4 at a time. So you'll want to safe keep these words, probably in, on a piece of paper or on a notepad. So you can see that I'm going to write down the 4 words here. And I have to go back to it. I don't remember it. So, elder, pen, discover, comic, brand, grace, vibrant, blast, and as you can see, we really need to be writing these down. Odor, chimney, desert, and skill. Okay, so if you've written down all of these words here, you'll see that I've had mine on my computer. You'll want to move on and press OK. You'll be asked to enter your mnemonic code to ensure that you have this list of words, and I'll want to write down the 3rd one, which is discover. 5th, brand. 7th, which is vibrant. And the last 12th word, which is skill. And if I press OK, if you got your words correct, you'll be asked to enter your PIN code that you set in the beginning. I'm going to add in my PIN code now. And I did it right. So you'll then move on to adding your wallets. So the default setting for this app is that you already have Ethereum and AMO wallets in place. So that's very convenient. And let's say you open your Etherion app, you'll see 2 buttons here, receive and send. And when you press receive, you'll see the address of the wallet you just made and a QR code. So if you're participating in our airdrop event for AMO Labs, this is the page that you're going to want to screen capture. And you're going to want to put that screen capture in your KYC registration to get 600 AMO. So screen capture methods really differ by phone, so make sure to capture it that works for your device. If I move over to my AMO wallet, you'll see that the addresses for both Ethereum and AMO are the same. A lot of people think that this is a glitch and they ask us about it. It's supposed to be the same because AMOcoin is basically an ERC20 token. So the addresses will be, and they should be, the same. So one of the great things about this wallet is that you can add in a wallet that you've already been using. And one of the most popular ones right now is the My Ether wallet, or MEW or MU. And we'll do a quick walkthrough on how you can add it into your palette. So you'll see directions here after you press My Ether wallet on how to do that. You'll see like a little manual that we've written. Let's wait for it to load here. And you'll have a guide here, but I'll walk you through it anyway. So once you've read through all of the directions, you can press Scan QR code. And you'll want to let your camera take that. And we'll move over to our screen here. We're going to go to My Ether wallet. And you're going to want to press, whichever key you're using right now. It can be your private key or your ledger. And I'm going to use my private key here. And when we scan the QR code, you'll see that your wallet has been added. So you'll see that I just added in the My Ether wallet, and the wallet addresses should be the same as the one that you see on your screen, on the account address. So you'll see 0x41C here, and it should be the same on your screen when you go back into the app. Okay, and so you'll see that it's really convenient. One of the great things about Palette is that you can customize your screen. We know that as you keep adding on wallets, there can be a lot of it can be a long list. So when you press the pencil app or button on the top right corner, you can see that you can hide some of the wallets you're not using. You can make them visible again, after. And you can also change up the colors of your wallet just to distinguish them. And that way you'll be able to know which wallet is which. Okay, so just so you know, Palette doesn't delete wallets, but you can make them hidden or visible. And for phones that support fingerprint authentication, we do have the option to activate this feature. So you don't have to put in your passcode every single time you go in and out of your app. And that makes things a little bit more convenient. You can press in your passcode to activate that one time. So we hope that helped you with using the Palette app, and for any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be sure to get you the help you need. Thanks for watching. Bye!